We are finally going to review this super viral wig, you guys. It is so popular. We're going to try it in 2 colors, but today we're trying, I feel like this is like the most popular color in this wig. So let's jump right into it. This is a synthetic wig and I'm going to give you a full in-depth install, give you all the details, and let you know what I think about it. And I think you guys are really gonna like the final result. So let's jump right into it. Information to this wig and this entire look will be in the description and the comment section if you guys are interested. Now let's jump into the wig install. Okay, you guys, so like I said, this is a synthetic wig. This is in the color coconut. It's like HI-Cocont. It has combs in this wig, and this wig does not have a lace front, okay? It has like these curtain bangs, and this is what the wig is looking like. You got the little parting space, but no lace to cut whatsoever, y'all. So I didn't exactly know what to expect when styling, so I just put the wig on, y'all. This is the wig straight out of the pack. This is what it's looking like. I really like this color. The highlights of this blonde is really pretty. I think it was done really well. So we're going to start off by brushing this wig out. It does have a lot of layers within this wig, and the hair is kind of like curled backwards, and this is more of like it's a silky straight wig. It's not like that silky that's like you can't do nothing with it. This is a pretty okay silky textured wig. Okay, so after I combed it out, I did add some hair wax so we could really get that hair together, y'all. And before we get into the next step, I want to let you guys know you are totally invited to join me in my Facebook group at C Shop Repeat, where I post daily finds and reviews for wigs and other products. I would love to have you guys join, so make sure you head over there to Facebook and join me. All right, y'all, so once I got the hair together, I had to take the wig back off, and I went and took the powder and I started going in the parting space, because the thing about a parting space on a wig without lace, it has to be. If you or somebody you know has ever thought about becoming a hair influencer, then this is for you. I've been a hair influencer for some years now, and I created a guide to teach you how to do it too. Even if you're not interested in hair influencing specifically, being a content creator has opened so many doors for me and is a great opportunity. I've developed guides to help you in areas such as content creation, specific social media platforms like TikTok, as well as how to review products like I do. There are so many streams of income possibilities with being a content creator, and the key is to learn how to make the content. You can gain access to more information on all of my guides and ebook sources through my website. The link is in the description, or visit anotherqueenstreasure.com. Be done correctly. I feel like blending the parting space is even more important when your wig doesn't have lace, okay? Because you kind of have to do sometimes, not all the time, but you kind of sometimes have to do a little bit more to get it to look realistic. So I'm really just getting a feel for this wig and how I want it to lay on me, how it looks best laid on me, y'all. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm kind of running my fingers through it. So while I do that and just fix up that parting some more, I'm going to get into the pros and the cons of this wig, you guys. The first pro is that this color is beautiful. I did try another color, which y'all will see that soon, but this color is gorgeous. It's highlighted and blended so well. The second pro is that I like the way that the bangs fall on this. They're not like too thick. They're kind of giving like a fringe curtain bang look, and I really like that. And then another pro is that this wig is pretty low maintenance. It doesn't take a lot of work to style, in my opinion, and it didn't have crazy shedding and tangling. And I think that's really good, especially for a wig to be this texture and to be this long. It also kind of had like I would say semi-natural density. It's not super thick either. Some of the cons that I want to talk to you guys about. The first thing is, in my opinion, you do have to do a little bit more work to get that parting space to look natural. Now, it was easier for me to blend it in this color, but the next color I try, I definitely feel like you have to do a little bit more work. There's no lace to cut, so it's kind of like, you know, you have to make it yours and make it where you're comfortable. I think that's it. I think that's the only con, you guys. So yeah, y'all, the information to this wig is down below, you guys. I'm gonna let you see the back. And I feel like this is a pretty good density because you can't see my wig cap through this. So I love that. Those are my pros and cons. These are my opinions, y'all. Y'all let me know down below if you would try this wig. And if you tried it, I really like this color. And I think that this color is so flattering. So I was super happy to be able to try it, y'all. And I will talk to you guys in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the comment section of this video and my next video very soon. Bye, y'all.